everybody, I'm Megan and today we are out here in Chang. I am here with a good Samaritan here in Pattaya, a very well-known lady here in Pattaya City, Caroline Worthington. She does some great work helping the homeless dogs out here. So Caroline, it's such a great thing that you are doing here. How long have you been doing this and what exactly do you do?
3 years now this month, and basically medication, hospitalisation, sterilising as many as we can and afford, rehoming dogs as well. We have them some in foster care, some have a stay in hospital when they have a serious injury.
So how often do you come out here to feed the dogs, and do you focus on only this area in Chang?
It's from one end of Chang to the other, from Namrin to Pattaya. There's around 15 different drops. Have 7 other volunteers, so that means I cover 4 days now, whereas it used to be 7. So that's a fantastic help.
What inspired you to start helping these animals?
I moved here 3 years ago, and I was quite surprised to see so many on the streets, and I see them bleeding with mange or starving to death, and I just couldn't walk past them. And over time I've been driving around and just come across them and help them out. I can't bear to see them suffer.
Well, it's a lovely thing that you're doing, but I would imagine that you do need help from the people out there in Pattaya. So, if people would like to get involved and if they would like to help you to help these dogs, how can they do that and how can they get in touch with you?
There's many ways they can help. They can come out and help me on, I call it the dog tour. Lots of people come on those with me. They can donate food or medicine. It doesn't always have to be cash, but obviously we take cash. So they can volunteer to do an hour a week without coming with me, or they could foster when we have a sick or disabled dog just for a temporary period. That would be great.
Right, so your Facebook page, if people want to find out more information, if they want to keep updated on the dogs that you're taking care of, how can they find out more?
Right, that's Chang Angels for Soy Dogs on Facebook.
Well, check it out for yourselves. There are some really lovely dogs. They are so nice and friendly, like this one here. If you are looking for a new pet, why not take in one of these dogs that need a new home? It would be a big help for them. It would be a big help for the community, and it would probably be a little bit of weight off Caroline's shoulders. So get in touch with them. Check it out for yourselves. Caroline, thank you very much for inviting us down here, and thank you so much for doing such a great thing for the city.
Thank you.
Thank you.